Your car sees, listens, and even thinks. But how does it actually know what to do? Welcome to Namdi Afrimetra. Today, I will show you 10 powerful sensors working silently inside your car. The oxygen sensor checks how much oxygen is in your exhaust, helping your engine burn fuel efficiently. The mass airflow sensor measures the air entering your engine, so fuel is perfectly balanced. This sensor monitors engine temperature, preventing overheating and serious damage. The crankshaft sensor controls engine timing, making sure combustion happens at the right moment. The camshaft sensor works with it, ensuring valves open and close at the perfect time. The knock sensor detects unusual vibrations and protects your engine from damage. The throttle position sensor tracks your acceleration, giving you smooth and controlled speed. The ABS sensor prevents wheel lock during braking, keeping you safe and in control. Parking sensors detect obstacles around you, helping you avoid costly mistakes. The fuel sensor tells you how much fuel is left, so you never get stranded. Together, these sensors act like a brain, turning your car into an intelligent machine. Follow Menamdi Afrimetra and master how modern cars truly work.
If you find this video impactful, do well to engage with us by subscribing to this channel, Namdi Afrimetra. Hit the like button and drop a comment. Stay updated for more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.